Translate real-world signs with phone camera, Travel Wizard, your pocket portal to linguistic sanity and absurdity. Gone are the days of standing bewildered before a cryptic script, clutching a dog-eared phrasebook like a medieval scroll, or resorting to elaborate charades that inevitably suggest you need the bathroom and have an inexplicable fondness for interpretive dance. Welcome, intrepid explorer, to the era of the Travel Wizard, the humble smartphone camera, imbued with the near-magical power of real-time translation. This isn't just a handy tool. It's a passport to confidence, a shield against culinary roulette, and a front-row seat to the unintentionally hilarious world of machine-translated absurdity. Buckle up. Translating the world just got exciting and occasionally ridiculous. Remember the before times? A comedy of errors. Picture this. You're in a bustling Tokyo alleyway, stomach rumbling. A tiny, steamy restaurant beckons. The sign is a beautiful, impenetrable tapestry of kanji. Do you? 1. Bravely enter, point randomly at the plastic food display, hoping it's not just decorative, and pray you don't end up with a bowl of pure fish intestines. 2. Whip out your phrasebook, flip frantically through food and dining, only to realize the sign says staff only or closed for private function. 3. Attempt to mime noodles. Spoiler: this often resembles summoning an ancient noodle demon. We've all been there. The pre-wizard era was fraught with misadventures born of linguistic isolation. Ordering mystery meat that turned out to be something best left unidentifiable. Accidentally walking into a love hotel, thinking it was a charming B&B. The plush decor and hourly rates should have been a clue, but desperation clouds judgment. Desperately gesturing at a map while the kindly local tries to decipher your wild arm flails, convinced you're either lost or performing avant-garde street theater. It was charmingly chaotic, yes, but also inefficient and occasionally mortifying. Enter the wizard. Point, click, comprehend, mostly. Then came the apps. Google Translate, Microsoft Translator, Wago, DeepL, and a host of others. Suddenly, your phone wasn't just a camera. It was a linguistic Rosetta Stone. The magic is deceptively simple. 1. Summon the app. Open your chosen translation wizard. 2. Point your wand, camera frame the mysterious sign, menu, bus timetable, or warning label that might be cautioning you about rabid squirrels. 3. Witness the alchemy. Almost instantly, the foreign script melts away, overlaid by your native language. POOF. Understanding materializes like digital fairy dust. The feeling is nothing short of revolutionary. That indecipherable menu in Seoul instantly reveals delectable options beyond just barbecue. The complex metro map in Moscow transforms from abstract art into a navigable grid. The cryptic sign on a Kyoto temple gate shifts from imposing mystery to a simple remove shoes. No flash photography. It's empowering. You make decisions confidently. You feel less like a bewildered tourist and more like a savvy, tech-enabled explorer, a true travel wizard. The hilarious underbelly when a magic glitches. But let's be honest, the true, unvarnished joy often lies not just in the accuracy, but in the glorious, unintended comedy when the translation algorithms take a surreal coffee break. Machine translation, while impressive, is not infallible. It grapples with idioms, cultural nuances, bad handwriting, weird fonts, and the inherent ambiguity of language. This is where the travel wizard also becomes the court jester. Literal lunacy, a sign warning slippery when wet, might become careful. Ground has achieved enhanced lubricity. A menu item, spicy chicken, might translate to angry bird flesh. You might be cautioned about danger, falling pigeons, was it a low-flying zone? Or invited to enjoy fried husband, hopefully just a bad take on spouse cake or similar. Cultural conundrums. Nuanced phrases get flattened. A poetic description of a scenic viewpoint might become the brutally efficient, nice mountain look place. A polite request like please refrain from loud noises might morph into the slightly threatening silence yourself immediately. The utterly baffling. Sometimes the output is pure, beautiful nonsense. A simple exit sign might translate to Fish Liberation Tunnel. A no parking warning could become automobile resting prohibited by order of the rubber chicken. These moments are gold. They break the tension, become instant travel stories, and remind you that technology, for all its power, still has a whimsical or slightly deranged side. Beyond signs, the wizard's expanding spellbook. The travel wizard's power extends far beyond static signs. Modern apps offer conversation mode. Speak in your language. The app speaks the translation aloud, and vice versa. Haggling in a Marrakesh souk or asking for directions in rural Peru becomes feasible, albeit potentially punctuated by robotic mispronunciations that cause momentary confusion or laughter. Image translation offline. Downloaded language packs mean you can be deep in the Amazon or high in the Himalayas. Point your camera at an ancient inscription or a modern product label and still get translation. No signal, no problem. The wizard works offline. Handwriting and text recognition. Can't quite get the camera angle right? Take a photo and let the app scan the text within the image later. Or point it at someone's hastily scrawled note. Augmented reality. AR, the most wizardly of all. Point your camera and translated text appears overlaid on the real world in real time, like subtitles for reality itself. Walking down a street in Cairo, watching shop signs morph into English before your eyes? That's pure magic. The wizard's wisdom, a tool, not a crutch. While the travel wizard is indispensable, remember it's a tool, not a replacement for cultural sensitivity and human connection. Don't just point your camera at people without consideration. Learn basic pleasantries. Hello, thank you, please. Smile. Gesture kindly. The app breaks down language barriers, but genuine warmth bridges the human gap. Use the wizard to understand the sign for the local market. Then go explore it. Use it to decipher the menu. Then try ordering with your newly learned please and a smile. The tech enables the adventure. It shouldn't be the entire adventure. Conclusion. Embrace the magic and the mirth. Translating real-world signs with your phone camera is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a practical, powerful, and often uproariously funny reality for every traveler. It banishes confusion, empowers exploration, and turns potential travel nightmares into manageable moments or laugh-out-loud anecdotes. The travel wizard, in your pocket, demystifies the world, one sign at a time, revealing both the intended meaning and the delightful, absurd undercurrents of machine interpretation. So, charge your phone, download your wizards. A couple of apps are wise for redundancy and comedic variety, and step boldly into the linguistically diverse world. Embrace the power to understand. Revel in the moments of perfect clarity. But most importantly, cherish the glorious, nonsensical mistranslations, the angry bird flesh and fish liberation tunnels of the world. They are the unexpected souvenirs, the digital postcards reminding you that travel, even with a powerful wizard in hand, is still wonderfully, unpredictably human. Now go forth, point your camera, and let the translation adventures begin. Just maybe avoid ordering anything described as fried husband without a second opinion. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.